Hi girls, Lexi Luxury here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This week I thought we'd switch some things up and do a good old-fashioned PR unboxing haul. Before we dive in, a major shout out to everybody who watches my channel, who engages with my content. Like literally none of these brands would even f with me if it weren't for you. As per usual, if you're not in the fam yet, hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every single week and almost every single day on shorts. And without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? Let's start with Peppermayo. Cutest little yellow dress you ever did see. Also got this cute little white top. Look at this little halter top. She's tiny, she's sexy. We love that, we love that. I will make sure that I link all the Peppermayo items in the description box down below. Wicked and Kiss collab. Oh, this box is so full. The amount of nails in here. Make your own wicked magic with bewitching beauty inspired by Shiz University. Stop it, guys. The lashes, they have little sparkles on the outer ones. There are quite literally 6 packages of lashes in here. New product from NARS, light reflecting luminizing powder. Such cute packaging, so minimal, so chic. Oh, hello. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh yeah, I think I'm actually gonna have a lot of fun with this product. TUMS, the star of the show. And then we have this bag. Wait, this is cute. There's a disposable camera in here. I love these rhinestones. Why do I want to put these on now? Literally resisting every urge inside my body. Face and body party glitter. Shut the f up. Is this a mood ring right now? It fit on the only finger I didn't have a ring on. Guys, what's my mood? Miss Neutrogena. Hello? A hydrating grip primer. Hydro Boost translucent loose setting powder. Visibly radiant UV primer. There are literally 8 of these. High shine glossy lip. This one looks like a bit of me in the color Rose Petal. How do we? Oh, it's like a click up. Oh, she's real glossy. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna wear that. Josie Maran. I love this brand so bad. I use all of their body butters. Let's see what we got. Meet our new hair and body fragrance mists. Shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Okay, we have a new product here and they're all in the fragrances that she has her body butters in. Love the hair mist because I use so many hot tools on my hair and I just feel like it always smells like fried chicken. Do you know what I mean? These are her travel size body butters. I've been dying to open this up. Hello? The sheer amount of K-beauty products in here. Okay. New Texture Hydra Jello Mist. Anything hyaluronic acid plus collagen I want on my skin. Oh, look at that. Look at this freaking texture. A Charm Tent Glossy Gel. It's literally a charm. Like, this is like a carabiner. Dalva Vegan Pack Cleanser. Super sick packaging. Stop. These are stunning. Should we swatch? Oh, that's stunned. It's so cute. Pretty. Ooh, look at the little applicator. She's like a silicone little wand and it's a plumper. It's like a slight sparkle as well. Okay, love this. Finally moving on to the second pillar of boxes here. Brightland. They have some good stuff if you're like a cooking girl. Oh, wait, this is their new launch. The everyday cooking oil and then the everyday salad oil. I cannot wait to cook with these later. L'Occitane. Always so gorgeous. Our curated collection of travel essentials. They're all travel sizes and then they gave me these tiny little jellies. Gisou. Ooh, a new product. Honey Gloss Ceramide Therapy Hydrating Shampoo and the Hydrating Conditioner. Excited to try these. Ooh, Moroccanoil. Yo, not them spoiling me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, this was for their Prime Day launch. Dang, they had good deals during Prime Day. Thermal protection, aerosol, dry body oil. Okay. A night body serum? Please, this is the type of stuff I'm into. Because like, do we need a body serum? No. Am I gonna use one? Absolutely. How did I not know that they had body care? Did y'all know that? And y'all didn't tell me? Were you gatekeeping this? Or did we all just collectively not know? Please let me know in the comments. We need to have a discussion. Mending Infusion. It's giving Olaplex. Helps heal split ends. Need that. Yes, I did get a hairspray. Frizz Shield Spray. I'm gonna use every single one of these products. Cannot wait. The final pillar. Cutie little Lancome package. Flutter extension. Boom. There's the mascara. Okay, period. So that's a pretty good wand on it too. More Lancome. Lancome Supra Screen SPF 50. What a little scarf. Stop. This is actually so freaking cute. This summer I turned pretty and kiss. Bye. I cannot wait to watch that. The Impress No Glue Falsies. I actually love these. I have them on right now. And we have some more nails. Okay. Ooh, we have some lippies. The Spike Valentino lip balms. Let's look at this guy. Oh, this is nice texture-wise. Do you guys hear the rain? It is raining and thundering. Oh my gosh, it's like really coming down now. Maybelline. Here are our most popular lifter combos. Ice and Line Leader. Stone and Let's Bounce. Gummy Bear and Player. Silk and Cross the Line. They honestly all look stunning. Kiehl. I use so much of their skincare. Classic Ultra Facial Cream. Ultra Pure High Potency Serum. Freaking love this stuff. Ultra Facial Barrier Hydrating Cleanser. I've been wanting to try this. A little mini avocado creamy eye treatment. I use this every single day. This is like the star of the show. Better Screen UV Serum. This is like the best face sunscreen I've ever used in my whole life. NARS. Wow. Color Rush Iconic Blush. Oh my gosh, it's all of the orgasm blushes. Are you joking? Please, it looks like a giant blush compact. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, we have Orgasm Rush, Orgasm Edge. We have the OG Orgasm. Oh, she is just the perfect color. And then we have Orgasm X. Anyways, girls, we've done it. We've cleared the sofa. I hope you enjoyed the PR unboxing. Leave me a pink bow emoji if you made it to the end of the video. Other than that, hit the subscribe button if you're not in the fam yet. As a reminder, I post new videos every single week, typically every single weekend, and I post almost every single day on shorts. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And also make sure you check out these videos because you will love them as well. Okay, girlies, I am off. I gotta literally get rid of all these boxes, and by get rid of them, I mean give them to my husband to get rid of. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye. 언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 feels like daydreaming.